pagalitan natin si Luna kasi bawal sa kanya kumakain kahit ano-ano. Matigas yung ulo. Luna, look at me. Look at me, Luna. I told you don't eat anything. I told you. Do you listen to me? Luna, look at me. Look at me. Don't eat anything. You want to get sick, ha? If you get sick, you cannot go around. You cannot go out. Do you understand? Luna, look at me. Luna, look at me. Ha? Next time, don't eat anything. Do you heard me? Okay? Now you need to listen to me, ha? Look at me. Sit down. Ayan, parang naiintindihan mo. Okay, don't make me angry with you, ha? Don't eat anything, ha? You get sick. You don't allowed to eat anything here and outside. Do you have foods? Do you have foods at home? So you need to wait later, and I can give you. Okay, Luna. Parang umiiyak siya. Oh, umiiyak. Don't cry. Don't cry. Parang bata. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit down. Okay, very good. Good girl. Oh, good girl, okay? Good girl, Luna. Good girl.